Welcome दोस्तों. The list of the material required is given below. Paste a paper on the bottom of the box. Now put a tape on all the type side of the box to increase its life. Firmly press the tape to give it a proper finish. Now measure the length, width and height of the box. My box measurements are given. Add 10 cm to the total length and 5 cm to the height. Cut the fabric and paste it on the box from all the sides. Now paste the extra fabric inside the box like we do for a wrapping. Repeat the same procedure from the bottom side. Now measure the base size of the box and cut a fabric using the length and width. See or fold on all sides of the fabric for a finished look. Paste the fabric at the base of the box. Now our box is ready. Your kid will surely love it. The second type. To increase the height of the box, join the flaps with tape. If you don't want height, you can just cut out the flaps. Measure the length, height and width of the box, cut the paper accordingly and paste it from all the sides. Please note, if you are using gum, secure the pasting with a cello tape. This box can only be made using cello tapes also. Now give a cut on the corner of extra paper and fold it inside and paste it. Now fold the extra paper on the bottom side and paste it. Secure the folding using a cello tape. Now measure the size of the box, cut a paper and paste it on the bottom. Paste trimmer or ribbons on all the edges to hide the tape we have used. Decorate the box according to your choices. Tape all the edges, measure the box and cut your newspaper. Prefer to use newspaper with less images. Cut the corner of the extra paper, fold and paste the extra paper inside. Now fold it from the bottom, measure the box and paste a base on it. Now draw a rough drawing with the pencil on the front side and finalize your drawing.